Yo guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel again. Right now, let me give you a little bit of what has just happened. I just finished eating rice and chicken. Rice and chicken, prepared by my mom. Yeah, my mom is a good cook. Mom to the world, mom to the world. Okay, now enough of that. So right now we have with us what I call safe haven. Somebody says safe haven. Safe haven. Yes, safe haven is another name for gold, for mental pairs. So right now, as you can see on the chart, this is a gold pair. As you can see on the chart, this is a gold pair. So right now, let's quickly delve into trade. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. If you check so far in my previous video, if you go and check the last two videos I have uploaded that lasted about 30 minutes each, I have analyzed the market earlier before now, where the market was going to get to, how the market was going to make the movement, and how and what the reaction is going to be by the time it gets to the highest level that it actually got to. I already explained to us how everything would go, and eventually, as you can see, everything is playing out as we have already analyzed in the future. Listen, guys. One thing you have to understand right now is that it's important that you master. It's important that you master technical analysis. It's important as a trader you master technical analysis, because technical analysis is going to save you from a lot of things. It's going to save you from a lot of losses. It's going to help you to manage your trade properly. Technical analysis is going to help you to place your trade in the way you should place it. Technical analysis is going to help you to put your stop loss where you should put your stop loss. It's going to help you to put your TP where your TP should be. That is technical analysis for you guys. I am not saying when you understand technical analysis, you will no more make losses. No, it doesn't happen like that. But technical analysis on the long run or for a long term, and for the long term, is going to help you minimize and minimize your losses as far as trading the forex market is concerned. Once you understand your technical analysis, it can help you to analyze any form, just anything, call it anything at all that is being traded in the financial market. Be it stocks, whatever it is, just mention it. You can use it to analyze whatever thing you want to analyze. You can even use it to project the future performance of any company that you are interested in investing in. Technical analysis can help you to make a better decision as far as financial market trading is concerned. So now let's look at this properly. If you go back to previous video, you will notice where I said that when the market get here to this very level, which is 2720, I have said it before now that when it gets to 2720, whatever makes it to get there is going to get to 2770. 2770. So this is where I was expecting it, and eventually it got here. When it got here, I already knew further push to the upside was just a fake out. Technical analysis told me that. My technical analysis told me that this thing happening here was just a fake out. This price that came all the way up here. Let me increase the size of the chart. Technical analysis told me that when this market was roaming around here, that this was just a mere fake out. I already knew, because my technical told me when this market took off, when it took off from this very place, we started making entries, then the first 100% move was made. The first 100% target was met. So having met this place, and I said that a further push to this out of this place, we come all the way, we will come all the way here, 2720. And whatever makes us to get here, definitely the market was going to come all the way to 2770. That was our final target for this particular cycle of the market. As far as gold is concerned, one thing you have to understand is that gold, or whatever pair it is that is being traded in the financial market, it moves in cycles. Okay, there is a cycle that each move means to accomplish before the market starts misbehaving, or before opposite direction starts. Now, looking at this now, people will be thinking that the market was going to start heading to the was is that the trend has changed. The trend has not changed. Technically, this trend has not changed. What is just happening after enough push to the upside? So there has to be a slow move. There has to be a breather. The market has to take a breath, after enough rush. Look at all the rush. We forecasted, we already projected this market all the way from there. We started making this push from this place. We started making entries from here. Now looking at where we started making entries from, the market came to make up the whole a whole a whole 1,600 pips. Looking at where we started entering, a whole 1,600 pips. So if you are a small account holder and you opened a trade, imagine you just opened 0.01 lots on this trade. When I made this call, if you do follow me, when this trade started all the way from here, when this move started from here, I made the call that this market was heading towards this place. So if you are my ardent follower, definitely you are going to make a very huge amount of money. Just imagine you decided to tell yourself that you are going to open, just to test what I say, and you are going to open 0.01 lot size, the lowest lot size, and you decide to leave it, and you reach just $20. By now, you will be having a profit of about 160. Definitely this is where you would have gone out, because this was where our profit target was. Okay, right now let's assume you enter where I made the call. By now you will be around $140, risking just $20. Right now you would have been $140 richer. So forex market, like I said in that previous video, that it is good you look at it from a bigger perspective. It's always much more profitable when you look at it on a long-term perspective. That is the only way you can make profit in the forex market, using what I call, or what most traders call, top-down analysis. I am an ardent follower of Dr. Willis. Dr. Willis is my man. Dr. Willis is one of my mentors. I remember when I made $3,000 profit. Then, I went to the exam. I was in schooling. I went to the exam hall. Then I actually placed that trade the previous a day before my exam day. Then I went straight to the exam hall. I opened those two positions that very day on a gold 0.05. 0.05. Yeah, it was two positions. I remember two or three positions. 0.05, and the target was yes, the target was 200. That is three positions. The target was 200 pips. So how much did I risk? I risked just $300 or $400 for that particular trade, for a target of 3,000. You understand? So eventually, before I came back from exam hall, the market hit my profit target. In fact, I was so happy that very day. I decided to just risk that money. So before I came back, the market hit my TP, and I was very happy. I made a screenshot. I sent it to Dr. Willis. Dr. Willis congratulated me. It was like, now that you have recovered all your losses, what you now need to do is to now calm down. You don't need to rush anymore. Just take your time. Look for quality trades and enter. So right now is that same message I am bringing to you. Always calm down. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a rush to enter trade. Trade would always obey. Once you understand what top down analysis is, once you understand what technical analysis is, you will always make profits. There is no doubt about it. You will always make profits. You don't need to be scared. Market would always obey you. Like I told you, it's not your strategy that moves the market. It's not your strategy that direct that takes the direction of the market. What works out in the market is what moves the market are the big time investors. All right, they push the market towards the direction they want it to go. All right, they hire the for example, if it's selling, that means sellers have taken over the market. If it's buying, that means buyers have taken over the market. So it is the higher amount you have to push the price. Those are it is that same high or that same rate the market will push towards your direction. So as a retail trader that we are, all we just need to do is to look at the charts, technically telling where or what the direction of the market is going to be. So if this is your first time of visiting or coming across my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the the share button, share it, let people see it, let people come and benefit from this information that I'm sharing. So do well to subscribe if this is your first time, so that whenever I give updates on good trades like that, you get to see it on time. Because one thing about me is that once trade kicks off like this, I usually do a video that will give that signal. I would have projected it into the future. So if you're my ardent follower, as time goes on, I will just be releasing short videos just to tell you on how to make your other entries by the time you have made the root entries from the very bottom of the trade, if it's a buy trade. So right now, do well to subscribe. All right, it's important that you subscribe so that this channel can grow, so that YouTube will continue to recommend or will continue to push this channel to people to subscribe. You understand? So right now at this juncture, we have now this cycle is finished. All right, this cycle is finished. Like I told you, you might be wondering, how was I able to know that the market is going to is going to move all the way from here and up to this place? How was I able to know? I was able to know due to technical analysis. If you are interested in knowing how to actually analyze the market profitably to help you stay consistent, you can email me at davidsonobas@gmail.com. You can email me or just comment say something in the comment section. Then let's link up. Let's link up. All right. So right now, let me quickly delve into what is currently happening in the market. Let me quickly delve into it. Let me show you what the market is doing right now at this juncture. This is what the market, this is where we expected it to get to. Eventually came to do this fake out. Fine, very good. So what we are going to be doing now, what we are waiting for now is, this is the market movement we are expecting. Now we want this market to pull all the way back into this region. We want this market to pull back into this region. All right, so we want it to come and settle somewhere here. We want this price to come all the way to 2,694, 2,670, between 2,690, between 2,690 and 2,673 is where we are expecting the market to come back and settle. Also, if this market is able to settle somewhere here, then another push to the upside will become possible. So by the time a push happens to the upside, but just let it happen first before we will not be thinking of what to do next. All right, and of where we'll be taking out our TP. But right now, we expect this market to push all the way from here to this place. Okay, so somebody will be thinking, why didn't you draw your Fibonacci from here? It is true that I was supposed to draw it from here, but from a bigger perspective, this is the area that we are expecting the market to come to. In a nutshell, in case you are having a doubt, you can still draw your Fibonacci from here. Okay, draw your Fibonacci from here. Because whether we like it or not, this is a daily low, right? This is a daily low, but it's not a major low. This is a minor low. Okay, this is a minor low. It's not a major low. So right now, if this market decides to come all the way to this place, to push now, as you can see, it's already at Fibonacci area. Okay, the market is already at a Fibonacci area. So right now, this is what I did. This is what I did earlier when this market changed, had this change of trend here. Let me take out this. So before that, let me quickly put this line here. Right, I guess, yeah, this is 61.8%, I guess. Yeah, it's not, this is 61.8%. All right, so this 61.8%. So now let me take this out. So now looking at this trade, looking at this very trade, if you draw your feet from here to this place, this is the area of settlement. So this guy to start heading up, huh? But I can tell you right now that it might not happen. It might not happen. The market would have to come here and settle here first. It is from here it's going to move all the way to this place. By the time it sets, if it's able to hold this place and it doesn't break through, it breaks through and it retests, then this place is certain. But if it's able to hold this place between 2690 and 2670, is going to make this first, sorry about that, it's going to make this first 100% movement, then before further push to the upside will happen. Okay, then I'm very sure this gold is going to get to 3,000 this year. To get to $3,000 this year, I don't know what might happen. It might even exceed or even get to 3,500 before December. Yes, so right now, as you can see, this trade has started doing what I have we have actually planned that it should start doing. So now we expect a further push. I made entries here, right? I made entries here. Okay, I made entries here. When you are trading, I usually say that when you are trading a market pullback, you need to be very, very careful. We are trading a market pullback, you need to be very, very careful because the market movement is not usually very smooth. It is not usually smooth when market is pulling back. Okay, it moves anyhow it likes. I think that's one of the time or season in which market manipulators also carry out their evil acts in the market. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the market is still heavy, still very, very heavy to the downside. So all the way to this place is where I am actually looking at. Okay, all the way to this place. So I made entries here. Okay, I made entries here. So I closed some already. Here. So now I started this pullback today, being Monday. Tomorrow is election day in the US. So in news like that, impactful news like that's a period in which market manipulators always, always, always carry out their evil acts. Okay, so now we expect this market now to keep dropping, but as you can see, it's ranging. It has been ranging since morning. In fact, the other position that I opened is still open. Okay, the other position is still open. Yes, I made that entry somewhere here that I closed out. Yes, I closed one here. So I've left the other one to keep running to the downside. All right, so that is all about that. So right now, this trade is already in the move. Or do not worry, do not worry, do not worry. At the time, I like giving out that huge move. Okay, I like giving out huge move to my subscribers. Yes, I like giving out huge move like 1,500 pips. So it's usually very good. As the market is moving, you'll be entering at every minor little pullbacks. You just be making your entry until the 1,000 or 2,000 pips is accomplished. So you have a whole lot to make. So right now, I'm not really bothering myself too much. What I'm just doing is I took just little because I know that I'm trading. I am the Jesus. I'm sorry, guys. There was a little bit of disruption there. There was a little bit of disruption. All right. So now let's go. Now this is what I've been saying. So like I said, the market would always move anyhow with lags because the market is making pullbacks. Okay, it tends to misbehave when it's pulling back. So right now, as you can see, all right, as you can see right now, as you can see right now, the trend is heading down already. So we expect that at least it should even come here. Okay, should even get here first. By the time it gets here, this place, the market might just come and might not even hold it for too long. Okay, it might not even hold it for too long. It might just come and kiss it. After kissing it, to just start heading back. Okay, but just watch out. And whatever happens, you get to see the notification from me. So do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe, guys. Do well to subscribe. Davidson channel, this very channel, Davidson World channel, this very channel, trading channel, is a channel where you should be always, every week, at least once in a week or twice in a week, to come get market updates. This is where we drop live market updates, like live market update, or how it is happening, what is happening, what you should do, what you should not do. This is where we make it happen. All right, this is where we make it happen. What you should do, what you should not do. This is where we let you know everything for real. This is where we train the market live. We tell you where to enter, we tell you where not to enter. What when to sit on your hands, we tell you when to be active, we let you know. So do well to subscribe, do well to share with your friends who have been struggling with Forex. You know, I was once there. I was once in their shoes, okay? I was once in your shoes. I was once in your shoes. I made losses several times. I made losses several times. I will cry. I will cry and cry and cry and cry until I now discover that, man, scalpers do not really make money. If you don't, not that they don't really make money, if you don't understand it, if you don't understand scalping, you will not make money with it. I'm never gonna lie to you, because scalpers do not wait too long. You that is trading with small lot size, how do you want to make money with scalping? Because by the time the guys who are very good at scalping and they have used bigger lots, and you that use 0.01 lots, you are yet to even make profit while they have backed out big money. So right now, I would advise you to switch into long-term trading, swing trading. Know how to carry out your top-down analysis. By the time you're able to carry out your top-down analysis accurately, then you can start even scalping. If you want to scalp, then you'll be able to scalp profitably. You'll be able to scalp. Please do well to subscribe. Just do well to subscribe to this very YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe. You know, one thing you have to understand is that when you come across video like this, it's a growing channel. All right, it's a growing channel. Everybody will think, this guy is just growing, he's not making money yet. It's true, I'm not making money yet, but at least I know what I'm doing. I've not bought my Lamborghini, I've not bought my Lexus, I've not bought my G-Wagon. But everybody, the people you see out there today that already have G-Wagon, that already have their Lexus, they already have their Rolls Royce, they started from somewhere. Started from somewhere. So it's important that you understand what you're doing. When you understand what you're doing, those things will fall in. According to the scripture that says that seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, every other thing shall follow. It is true of Forex. Seek ye first the knowledge of trading. Lamborghini shall follow. Rolls Royce shall follow. G-Wagon shall follow. That is how it works, guys. There is no magic. We don't perform magic in trading. No magic performance here. We trade it raw. We trade it raw, like raw. So right now, guys, just sit back, sit on your hands. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. What we are waiting for now is for the market to come all the way to this place. All right. So thank you very much, and do well to subscribe to this channel. Share it. Next, don't worry, I will upload another video before this week runs out. Please do well to subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.